Before you had a name, before you had a face, before your mother's arms, before the marketplace, there was a place of no words but perfect knowing, a family assembled by the direction you were going. You were not separate there, you were not alone. You came from a community, a vibration and intention. And then you came into the body, into the noise, and you forgot your own dimension.
I have been looking everywhere, in the market, on the road, in the long words of the books, in everything I was told. But there is something in the early morning, before I am fully awake, a knowing that has no language, a peace I cannot make.
You only hear what you are ready to hear, only what you are ready. You only find what you came here to find, only what you came for. Your power's not behind you, your power's not ahead. It is in the now, it is in the now, it is in the now, in the now. You are an extension of the source, and the source has never left.
She sat under the udara tree every morning before light. Her children thought she was strange, her children thought she wasn't right. But she said,
I am speaking
to the ones I came with. They were never born into this world that is different from finished. The channel is always open, but the noise closes the gate. Strong patterns of resistance make the signal hard to translate. Like a radio that cannot find the frequency it needs. The voice is still broadcasting,
but the body will not receive. You never ever get it done, that is not a punishment. It means the journey is the living, not the arrival, not the end. Every reading makes you something you were not ready for before. What you could not hear last season is the thing you needed more. You only hear what you are ready to hear, only what you are ready. You only find what you came here to find, only what you came for. Your power's not behind you, your power's not ahead. It is in the now, it is in the now, it is in the now, it is in the now. You are an extension of the source, and the source has never left. In the non-physical, there are no tongues, there are no ears, but there is perfect knowing, because you are what you are, and what you are draws its people without calling. You came forth from that place into this loud, bright, distracting world, and the distraction is not evil, but it is heavy, and under its weight most people stop remembering. They stop remembering. They came here to joyously create, not to suffer into worthiness, not to earn what was already given, not to search for what was never lost. Your naturally joyful zest for life is not something to be built, it is something to be returned to. When the memory awakens, Ishefuibu inahuebu. What you forget you are, you spend your life searching for.
I sat under my own tree this morning, before the compound woke, before the first voice called, before the first smoke rose. And I felt it,
not with my ears,
with something older than years. The ones I came with were still there, still assembled,
still of like intentions,
still radiating what they are,
still waiting for me to remember. extension of the source, and the source has never left. The world before phone, the place you came from is not far. It is the language that needs no tongue, the family that needs no name, the knowing that arrives before waking. You are not looking for it.